Notion: how to add roles. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To add roles in Notion, start by opening your browser so you can begin the process. After the browser loads, go to the search bar and type the word Notion into it. Then press Enter to bring up the search results. When the results appear, select the first website that shows up and wait for it to load fully. Once the site is open, log in or sign into your account so you can access your workspace. After you are inside Notion, look for the button that says Start Collaborating and press it. A small menu will appear on the right side of the screen. Type your Gmail or email account into the box so the system can recognize the account you want to work with. After entering the email, go to your profile at the top left corner of the screen and open it by left-clicking. When the profile menu appears, look at the left side and select the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, find the People section located in the middle area of the left panel. Click the People section so you can see more options. Once you are inside the People area, open the Member section to view the full member list along with the settings for each account. In this section, you will see a role column on the right side of each member. This is where you can change the role of the email or account you added. Left-click the role text to show the available role options. You will see 3 choices: Workspace Owner, Member, and Restricted Member. These are the standard roles offered inside Notion for workspace control. Before choosing any of these roles, you need to subscribe to the Notion membership, because this feature only works for paid plans. Without a subscription, the role change will not be available. After you have subscribed, return to the Member section and pick the role you want to assign. For example, if you choose Member, simply left-click the Member option and the system will update the role instantly. Repeat the same steps if you want to change the roles of other accounts inside your workspace. Once the role is selected, the setup is complete and the workspace will update with the new access level.